student at DSTA pursuing certificate in media studies. I've been volunteering with Elimu for about a year now, and the experience has been really great, and Elimu has helped me clear my path, career-wise. While volunteering at Elimu, I gained a lot of skills. From working at the reception, getting the glimpse of how to welcome people and having to interact with different people, and working with the communication department. I've learned photography. Financial instability is the main issue. So sometimes it's hard to cater for my school fees. Elimu has been really helpful because they helped cater for my school fees. So what I have to worry about is just accommodation and the commuting fees. I just picture myself being this great lady in photojournalism or in the media industry in general. I really want to continue, go beyond certificate. I want to do diploma, then finish up with diploma, and then if all goes well, get into degree. Thank you, Elimu, for supporting my career goals and making my dream come true.